Hey y'all, today I am reviewing a product sent to me by Ywigs. Inside of the box we have the instructions, a wig cap, and a very nice bonnet. The wig itself comes in very nice packaging, nice plastic bag, covered with a nice net to help secure the curls during shipping. The wig also has a nice wide elastic band in the back that all of us ladies like for that nice comfort. The wig itself is a Salt&Pepper T-par lace wig. Her name is Yonce. Yonce is a 12-inch wig with 150% density. On the inside of the cap, Yonce has 5 combs, one in the front, one in the back, one in the center, and one on each side. The elastic band is removable, and when placing your order for this wig, please remember to use coupon code SM10, 10% off at checkout. Hey y'all, DeSade is about to put on this wig that was sent to me by Ywigs. This is a sponsored video.
Ooh,
don't play.
Getting a little money.
Getting a little money. This video is sponsored though by Ywigs. It's a gray and black Salt&Pepper wig, and DeSade is about to hook it up. Y'all know she's the greatest installer in the Mid-South. DeSade is in the house. I got DeSade in the house.
For this tutorial, I'm going to cut the lace off because I dislike when people show tutorials how to install a wig with this on. Because people at the house who, when they take it off and want to put it back on, they don't know how to do it because they so used to y'all pulling this down and da-da-da-da-da. So I'm going to show you how to do it.
She's cutting the lace off of the wig and then she's going to install it. It's the word that everyone uses. I like to say she's going to glue it down secure and make sure if you do it, whatever, this or that, your wig is on. The lace is cut off. All right, y'all know DeSade gonna hook it up. And what I like about this wig that Ywigs has sent me, it has a comb in the front, one in the center, and 2 on the side, and 1 in the back. So even if it's not glued down, girl, you gonna be right. And it also has a very tight elastic band.
This is the construction of it. It's just a lace front, which means you got lace around the front. And then some middle part right here. Let me pop it inside out for them. The front of it is lace, and then you also have lace down the middle. And the construction of this is really good. See how flat them whips? It's really good. And it's stretchy a little bit. You got the adjustable straps back here. Then if you tired at nighttime, if your wig glue down, if the back of your head, you got a little tension, just unhook this. It's like a little bra strap thing.
So the wig, according to DeSade, is constructed very well. She liked the webs, the comb, the elastic band, and it had the adjustable band also in the back. So let's get this wig installed.
Right now, I'm putting a little makeup on the part so that it can match your skin and so that part can actually stand out. Powder makeup going down the part. And this is also a little trick if you don't want to go in and bleach your knots and stuff. Just put some makeup over it or flip the wig inside out and put the makeup within it.
On the inside of the lace?
Yeah, that's what I've been doing. other style that you would do with it.
Hold on, let me show you.
You can pull it to the side.
Okay, y'all, DeSade has installed this and placed it on for me. So what I'm about to do is I'm going to style it. You know how when you go to the salon or to your beautician and they do your hair, you know, they're like, okay, I'm liking it, but do you like it? And you know how you always like, don't worry about it. I can style it to my face because nobody can really style your hair to your face the way that you can. I'm liking this. Good quality hair. I'm liking the bounce and everything is nice, salt and pepper. I know a lot of the young girls, y'all are going this route, dye your hair salt and pepper. But I just want to see if I can make it lay a little bit to the side over here. I'm just going to dampen my fingers. And the wig is a center part, but me personally, with my face, I don't like a center part because my face is so round and so oval. But you may like a center part, so you may decide to do that. But if you like me and you like that sexy look to the side, y'all, we know what to do. After you style it, just go ahead, let your edges laid. Oh, shuck it now. What you think? And you are actually ready to rock and roll. This is the finished result. I'm liking this. I really am. The link to the wig is down below. And make sure that you use the coupon code that you will see once you click on the link. I'd like to thank Ywigs for sponsoring this video. Make sure that you comment down below. Tell me if you like this salt and pepper wig on Sweet Pea. Tell me how I'm looking. I'm looking good. Y'all know I'm looking good. Thank you again. Subscribe. Hugs and kisses to each one of you. Talk to you the next time.